Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 app and browser control option missing. First method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy commands one by one. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Run command from description. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.